How to switch on OnePlus without power button. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, your device is not working and it is turned off and your power button is not working. So all you need to do is plug USB cable into powered USB port. Hold down volume down button. After 2-3 seconds of holding down volume down button, plug the USB cable into phone. Release volume button and your phone will be restarted and turned on. And that's how you switch on OnePlus without power button. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.